Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make text square in Photoshop for two-way. This video is very important. Let's get started. First, I will create a new layer. Go to rectangle tool. Do not use fill and select fill. Use color. Hold shift. Press hold shift. Click and drag it. Okay. Click the text. Select text color black. See this icon, then click. Then write your text. How to make. Okay. Then click to remove the rectangle and again create a new layer. Click the text, type horizontally and select text color black. Hold shift, click and drag it. Type. Type your text. Okay. Then double click the text. Paragraph fit. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.